Fun fact, Tails' favorite
how do you make
candy is
them?
mint candy.
Also, fun fact, I almost died from one
Does
of
he
those
have a
mints.
specific,
Really?
Yes.
like a peppermint?
Yes.
How'd that happen?
He choked
I
on
almost
it.
choked on one when I was 3 years old.
Oh. Well, see, it's not as funny because you were 3.
Is this the only game you don't really care about?
From the classics, I don't like Sonic CD either, so I'm glad we're playing both of those today.
Wait, oh no! you just-
Dude. Yes, I know it looked like a dick.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
I like how your response was, okay, cool, we're on the same page.
Yeah. I was like, wait. Code?
Hope?
Cope.
COPE?
There is no God, help.
I could get it too.
Wait.
I just don't want to.
Cope.
Hope.
Like, what do I get out of it? Like, it
is
doesn't say
hope?
cope.
What does it mean?
Why? I don't. What does that mean?
I want you to guess what
What?
the chickens are called.
Wait, they actually have like a different name?
Yeah, they all have different names. Like, the birds are called flickies.
Oh,
The squirrels are called pockies. Guess what the chickens are called?
what are the
Hickeys?
chickens called?
Wait, what did you say, John?
Did you say
Chickies.
hickeys?
No, chickies.
I thought you said hickeys.
No. Now, what
What?
noise does a chicken make?
Cheap.
What?
No, is it like Baki then? They go bok.
Cluck. They go cluck.
Oh, so they're just cluckies.
No, no, that's the fucked up part.
What?
They're
Oh,
called
then what is
cucky.
it?
Cookie?
Cucky.
Oh. Oh, like that. I just heard. I don't know if that was the beep, but I did hear a beep. Is that it? The beep?
Ah.
Can I get a bubble? Can I get a... Oh my god.
Hello, Bubble?
Oh my god.
Oh no, he's gonna die. No!
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my gosh!
Oh.
Shit's stressful when you're a kid, bro.
So it was the system before the Genesis.
Yes.
Okay.
Which, for some reason, is still, to this day, really popular in Brazil.
In Brazil?
In Brazil.
Did you know? Wait, why Brazil?
I don't know, but they still, like, get games. I'm not going to the special stage, I guess.
Oh. Rip. Rip in
Wait, you
peace.
said they're still releasing games for it?
Yeah. They're not, like,
Wait.
official games, but, like... There's still
Oh,
games
I was
that
gonna
come
say-
out. Like, people still develop them for it.
In Brazil?
Yes.
I guess in Brazil. Huh. Labyrinth Zone.
Tails dies in the bad ending of Sonic 2 for the Master System.
That. What?
The end of the... So, at the beginning of the game, Tails is kidnapped by Eggman, and Sonic has to save him. And if you don't get all the Chaos Emeralds, you don't get to go to the last level. And so the game ends with Sonic, like, looking up at the sky, and then, like, a constellation forms Tails.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh! What the heck?
I'm telling you, Yuji Naka just really wanted to traumatize children. I'm supposed to be the fastest, but I was too slow to save my buddy.
Oh god.
That's an actual line in one of the games.
Wait, what?
Really?
Tails gets captured. Yeah, I'm old, but I'm not old enough to know that much about the Master System.
Yeah.
That's why we have you here, John. What?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, he's sitting here crushing in his 30s.
Yeah.
There is no god.
Oh! How consistent are the hitboxes?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you saw that.
That answered. Alright, that
I went
answered
right
it.
through the fucking thing.
Yeah! way!
We did it. Oh, there's Amy.
Oh no, no! Ew! Ew, cooties! Ew! Ew!
I think the next one's 210.
Oh.
I better be 210.
Yeah.
Or I'm gonna.
Oh.
Oh, there it is!
Alright, you want to see how you
Oh, no,
get the
we're good.
rings? They're just...
What the fuck?
Why? Why? What?
Fuck? Oh my god.
I told you this level sucks.
Oh my god.
Why do they put these guys at the top everywhere?
Alright, final boss.
Oh, alright.
Oh, well,
Oh.
I guess I touched his hand. And that was too lewd for Sonic. I like how Eggman's just staring.
Because he's revolving.
Anyway,
Damn!
Sonic
Oh,
1.
whoa, my god!
Sonic 1 had Green Hills.
What the heck?
Sonic 2 had Emerald Hill. And then Sonic 3.
bombed!
Sonic 3's like, we'll have a green area too, but we're gonna set it on fire.
What the heck?
I'm not gonna entertain that with a response.
Okay.
Oh, what was that? That was a move.
The star ones have you go in reverse.
Yeah, but you did that like it was
I'm trying to pretend like I'm good at the game.
Yeah.
So I'm just doing really fancy things that don't actually help.
You missed that one ball. I mean sphere, sorry.
Wait, did I actually?
You missed one sphere.
No, I didn't. You lied to me.
I'm trolling you.
Ah, got him.
I could have sworn I saw one.
Bro, you can't do that. The longer you spend time in here, the faster it gets.
But that's cool. You gotta go fast, right?
Fuck,
Isn't
you're
that what
right.
he says?
No, it's not actually.
He says, I'm a Sonic, it's a me. I gotta go fast.
I must avenge Maria or Mario. Let's go this way.
Why do they turn into rings?
If you circle them, they'll turn into rings.
Are
Are you still dying, John?
You're dying.
In Minecraft. This level sucks. I'll admit it. This might be my favorite game ever, but Marble Garden
my God.
sucks. Oh yeah,
Whoa.
there's... Eggman made robots that are springs, or that are spikes, but they act like little springs, because Eggman's an idiot. You could have just made spikes. You could have just made spikes, and it would have
Regular
been more...
spikes.
It would have been more dangerous.
Here's my rubber elastic spikes upon which you can bounce on.
Sonic will never suspect my rubber spikes.
How are you supposed to know which one's which?
You see, I've played this game a lot, John.
Oh.
So, Knuckles is just really gullible.
Okay. He's also Idris Elba.
He is also Idris Elba.
Yeah.
Not Idris Elba is Knuckles. Knuckles is Idris Elba.
Yeah.
Because the shield doesn't surround him, but you still gain the properties of it.
Oh, that's why you've been getting coins still.
What did you say? Did you just say
What?
coin?
He did! Wait, he did say coins!
Oh, sorry, no, I was looking in the bottom left corner and I saw coins, that's why.
Ah, cringe.
Oh god.
Mario collects the coins.
Eggsman!
Eggs,
Big
man.
man.
Smegman!
Oh no.
Oh wait, say again, John?
That's the Death Star.
Yeah, the Death Egg is just the Death Star with Eggman's face on it.
Death Smeg.
I'm glad you're here. We did it! But the Death Egg is falling back down on Angel Island.
How did it get so far away?
Look. It's an aesthetic choice. Alright, I need to ask a question. This thing's face.
Mm-hmm.
Does it remind you guys of like Bert from Sesame Street?
I get what you're saying.
So, I told you guys I had the Sonic and Knuckles collection for PC. Well, when I was a kid. We had a computer lab and in middle school, which is where 3 of my classes took place. So I downloaded the Sonic and Knuckles collection on the PC. And I played that like half of maybe, I think it was 6th grade.
God damn. Did it let you download it on there? Like,
No, I just sat like in the back.
What the heck?
I know it seems like, oh, this is the Trix Yogurt stage.
Ah, yep.
Yeah. Your balls suck.
You're more like a scrambled egg man now. Get it, because his name's Eggman, and you beat eggs to make them scrambled.
Oi, 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 oi. That was a good one. That was a good one.
And-
I got it. I don't think. John did.
Okay. Yeah, John didn't laugh, so I mean, he's just dumb.
Ah!
God, my butthole clenched.
A little bit.
Oh, yours did too. Okay, good to know.
Puckered up real good.
Oh!
I mean, oh man, I'm so good. Yo, check this out. Okay, not that.
Wow.
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Ha, we did it. We won.
Wow.
Congratulations.
What?
Oh, but it's not over yet. Eggman's trying to he's trying to escape with the
Gotta
Master
get it
Emerald.
back.
Oh my
Gotta
gosh.
get it back. You gotta get it back. Oh! Get it back. Now. Whoa! Oh!
Oh!
Are you doing this on purpose? Or
Yes, yes I am.